welcome back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I wanted to film a get ready with me. My husband and I are going to be surprising the girls and taking them to New York to go see Aladdin on Broadway, and this is our first time and I'm super excited. So I figured it'd be the perfect opportunity to use this palette that I ended up getting back in the fall, and today is the day that I get to finally play around with it. This is what it looks like on the inside. These are the colors, and it's all named by character and themes. And what I really like about it is that it looks like an actual book. I'll show you guys what these colors look like. I'll swatch them on my arm, so I'll show you a clip of that. I wanted to kind of dress up with the theme or whatever, so I ended up getting this Calvin Klein jumpsuit. It's like a teal color. Alright guys, this is the outfit. This is a Calvin Klein jumpsuit. Goes all the way to the ankles. And then for shoes, I'm going to be wearing these gold pumps. I will try to see if I can find the links to these things, so if you guys want to get it, you'll be able to find it. And then these earrings I've had for years, but I feel like the shape of them like goes perfect with the theme. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to be wearing for tonight. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps out our channel. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now let's jump right into the video. I ended up curling my hair a little bit, and I just have this piece left, but I decided to leave it for last so that way I can do my makeup. But guys, if you remember back around the fall, I ended up doing a haul. I'll list a video up here, and I ended up finding two palettes. One of them was Mickey and the other one was Jasmine. So today's the day that I get to use it. This makeup palette is by Revolution, and look at how pretty. It has Jasmine and it has all this like gold detail. It literally looks like a book. And then when you open it, do you see how amazing that looks? So here we have all the colors, and then you have like the blushes, the highlighters, and I guess you can use this as like a bronzer. All of the eyeshadows are different characters, so I thought that was really cute how they named them all. Those are the colors. This palette is just amazing. I think I'm gonna end up using like these colors here. I'm gonna try to come up with a makeup look for tonight, so let's see what ends up happening. Also, another thing I wanted to share with you guys. If you go to Dollar Tree and you see this box, it says blender sponges and it's latex free. It's by Beauty Collection. Never heard of the brands, but I saw it and I'm like, oh, let me just try it just to see. Guys, if you see it, run. They have it in different colors. I have a Real Techniques one and it's wet, right? And then this is the one from Dollar Tree. And the texture of it is somewhat the same. It's not bad. So I'm gonna use it in this video to see how it applies my foundation, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's dry. So when it's dry, it looks like this. We're gonna see if it does the job. Anyways, enough said. Let's get some makeup on this face. I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal foundation that is 24 hours fresh wear. So let's see. I don't think I've actually used this. I think I bought it and I never used it. I'm gonna take this foundation brush and I'm just gonna apply. I think one squirt is enough. We'll see. I don't know what the coverage is, but hold on. Before I do that, I ended up putting moisturizer on my face, toner, doing all that stuff, like preparing my face. So I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer and see if that also helps. I don't think I've used this either. See, I'll buy products just to have them, and because I figure, okay, one day I'll use them. And then today came. That's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna apply it here. And then take the sponge. Okay, not bad. It feels good on the face. Look at this. Out of all days, I had to get a pimple right in the center of my nose. don't know if I'm a fan of this one because the coverage is like, it's okay. I don't know if I like it too much, guys, but it's gonna have to work. I'm putting a little bit more to see. I'm just gonna dab it on in certain places. Going all the way down. It's just the other one that I use. I ran out of it, so I didn't want to go to the store. So that's why I'm using this one. And I had it on hand. Also, what I noticed from this sponge, it doesn't have like a scent. Like, you know how sometimes when you get things from the Dollar Tree, sometimes there'll be like a weird scent. This one doesn't, which is nice. Okay, I feel like now I have some type of coverage, I guess. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer in the color Light Beige. I gotta try to like hurry up because I don't want the girls to hear anything about tonight. So what we plan on doing is telling them on our way there. I ended up making them a box, a special box that had to do with like Aladdin. You guys will probably see that in the vlog video. And my husband and I, we were saying that we were just gonna like nonchalantly just like walk there. We went there not too long ago to show the girls and we took pictures of them there. But I can't wait to see like the reaction because this is something that they've always wanted to do. And Genesis and Ariana, they actually do perform at the school, like plays and stuff, and they do very well. So yeah, I'm really excited, but I just have to make sure that I finish up quickly. Guys, I'm really liking the sponge. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in the color 220 Natural Beige. Have any of you guys like gone to any Broadway shows? Which one was your favorite? With the same powder, I'm just gonna grab a brush and I'm just gonna go over everything just to set it. But I don't think I'm gonna use this one as a bronzer because it has more like a rose tint to it. So I'm gonna hold off on that one for right now, and I'm just gonna use a normal bronzer for my face. And this is the color, and like I'm literally hitting the pan. I am going to do my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna brush them up. You guys have seen me do my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. All right, now that I did my eyebrows, now we can go in on the palette finally. So I think I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna go in with this color here. So this is what the color looks like. It's actually really pretty on its own. If you want to do like an everyday makeup, just draw on some mascara and just keep it simple. So I really like the base of it. It's really pretty. Next, I'm going to go in the color Raja. Next, I'm going to use the color True Magic, and I'm going to place it right here. I'm gonna apply some of Magic Carpet Ride on that same area to use as a highlight. That definitely stands out more. And with the other brush, I'm just gonna blend in. I think I want to do this red here, which is Abu. I'm going to go in with the color Soar. Next, I'm gonna do the eyeliner. I'm just gonna go in with a black eyeshadow and I'm just gonna line my eyes. Next, I'm gonna do the mascara, so I'll be right back. Now that I did my mascara, and if you were wondering what mascara I used two. The Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara, and it is in the color Very Black, and this is what it looks like. And also the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara in the color Very Black as well. So these two I love, and I use them together. So I use this one first and then this one. And now I'm gonna go in underneath my eyes and add some color. I think I'm gonna do Raja here. So for my highlight, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the color Blossom Glow. You guys have seen me use this before. Then with the Mega Length Mascara, I'm going to do the bottom lashes. And then for blush, I think I'm gonna do this color here. It's the Official Wish color. Oh wow, it's very pigmented, so make sure you go with the light hand. Then with the same highlighter that I use for the corners of my eyes, I'm gonna apply this on to my cheekbones. So I had gone to Dollar Tree a while back ago and they had the Yes to Coconut Hydrating Facial Wipes at the Dollar Tree. I grabbed like 2 packets of these and it's really nice. It has a really good smell to it. So I love coconut scented things. So I'm just gonna remove whatever I have on my lips. I'm gonna be using the LA Color Big Deal lipstick that I got at the Dollar Tree a while back ago. This is the color. So I'm using the Jordana Mahogany lip liner. So guys, this is the color that I have on my lips. It's not bad. I'm not a fan of it, but I mean, it will work. So next I'm gonna finish on my hair. All right guys, so for my hair, I'm going to be using the Herbal Essence Volume Hairspray, the 4 Max. And I'm just showing you what I did to the other part of my hair. So I'm just gonna spray it like this. Numi hair wand. And I'm just gonna wrap my hair around the barrel like this. I don't know if I'm gonna do a hairstyle or if I'm gonna just leave it down. So I don't know, I'll have to see how it looks. So this is how I get like those beach waves. I like this one because it usually like lasts like a really long time, like my curls. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. And until next time, guys, bye.